Hello, my name's Joel and I work for Our London Vodka. And my boss said to me, Joel, get on the camera and tell the people at home how to make the Our London Vodka Martini. I said, I'm no bartender. He said, who cares? It's so easy to make, just do it. So I said, okay, I'll do what I'm told. So what we need is a chilled martini glass. Put some ice in it, leave it in the fridge, whatever you prefer. Then we measure out 50 mils of Our London Vodka. No other vodka will do. Our aromatics work. Light, citrusy, Put that into a stirring glass, spill it on the table, do whatever you need to do. Then we measure out 10 mils of white vermouth. And then we do a bit of professional stuff here. We stir. This is all about dilution. Cocktail bartender people around the land have mastered this. 5 seconds should suffice. Then I have a cocktail strainer. You might not have that at home, but a tea strainer will work. It's all about not getting ice in a glass, really. Pour that in like so. Then we put in an olive, a green olive. Put some brine in there, because you know what? Your grandmother, she loves it dirty. And there you have the Our London Vodka Martini. Deliziano!